Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rance back with another video for you. For today's video, we are gonna be featuring the Yamaha Sniper 155, the regular version. It has a liquid-cooled 155cc single-cylinder, single overhead cam 4-valve fuel-injected engine with model-specific settings. It also has a 4.6-liter air cleaner box resonator with optimized specifications. Its ample volume contributes to the linear response when the throttle is opened and closed. This results in strong acceleration from a stop and excellent performance at high speeds. And it also has a variable valve actuation or VVA, allows smooth riding in both low RPM range and at high speeds. These are two cams that drive the intake valves, one for the low and mid RPM and one for the high RPM. These are switched between depending on riding conditions. The intake valves used at high RPM are open longer, increasing the intake efficiency and raising the overall performance. This feature efficiently draws out the power of the VVA-equipped engine, a first for a Yamaha moped. The maps switch when the VVA system is active or inactive, and there are separate maps for low speeds and high speeds. This makes the engine easy to use when in gear at low speeds, but also provides lasting pull at higher speeds. And also, the new design rear light is inspired by Yamaha's R-Series DNA. It also has separate high and low beam LED headlight. The low beam light is mounted to the handlebar assembly, which allows the headlight to shine in the same direction as the handlebars, while the high beams are built into the body. This layout is a first for Yamaha and gives the high beams excellent dispersion. The full LCD multifunction instrument panel displays a speedometer, tachometer, gear indicator, VVA indicator, and other information in a compact arrangement. The angle of the panel itself has also been optimized to suit the riding position for better readability. A 6-speed transmission is adopted to reduce the feeling of a busy engine, add higher RPM, lower noise levels, and improve fuel economy. It has a large 5.4-liter fuel tank capacity. In tandem with the fuel-efficient engine, allows you to ride farther and longer. The seat offers a good grip, is sleep resistant, and provides excellent ride comfort. The shape of the area that contacts the rider's inner thighs has been carefully shaped and offers easy leg reach to the ground. It has a maximum horsepower of 13.2 kilowatts at 9,500 RPM A maximum torque of 14.4 Newton meter at 8,000 RPM, engine oil capacity 1.10 liters. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.